Hi, I'm Ray. Well, it's Wednesday and Aldi have their drops on Thursday. So I've gone in today to see what they've reduced. If they've reduced any of the gardening items. So let's have a look and show you what I found. So let's go and have a look and see what bargains, what reduced items and what gardening stuff they've got left. So first of all, we've got this Belavi gardening urn. These are dark grey. These are great for a fountain. It was $4.99, now reduced to $3.99. Also a lighter grey, different colours, $4.99, now reduced to $3.99. We've got these planters, was $4.99, now $3.99. They're a good deal. And the Belavi egg chair, this has been hanging around for a while. The hanging egg chair, these were $99.99, and these have been reduced now to $69.99. This is the standing egg chair. We've got the 5-in-1 tool set. It comes with edger, weeder, tool sets, rake. These are really good. I wanted one of these. I never did get around to buying one. I need the edger to do the garden. These were $19.99, now reduced to $14.99. Then we've got some more colour pots, 38-inch Winchester. Some lovely bright colours, green, blue, grey. They look really great. They were $7.99, now reduced to $5.99. We've got this Wonderwall vertical planter set. Plant your walls, hanging up a wall, divider. Was $14.99, now $9.99. Garden Bright solar illuminated stake light, a butterfly, $7.99, was $5.99. And the indoor bird feeder, stick that on your window, was $2.99, now $1.99. Watch the birds from inside your house. Ideal, perfect. Then next door we've got these lovely mirrors still. I always wanted these mirrors. They're not reduced, but they are $9.99 and they are so nice. Always want a mirror in the garden, really nice. And then also these clocks, I do like these clocks as well. The clocks are $14.99 and they're different varieties. We've got the Easy Reach extendable hose. That's $9.99, reduced to $7.99. And then we've got the solar butterfly. I'm not sure what that one is. Next door to that is a solar etched butterfly wall art, $9.99. That's reduced to £7.99. And then next door to that, we've got the metal wind chimes. These are really cool. Love hearing these. 3 different varieties. These were £6.99 and now they're reduced to £4.99. Hang these up on your porch, conservatory, make a lovely tune. And then this is the rest of the gardening items they've got in Aldi. So really not much now at all. So have a look and see what we've got. No garden items in this week's gardening drop. So let me know, what items have you got in your Aldi that's reduced? Let me know in the comments. And please subscribe, ring that bell. Cheers.